Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how formations work in KingShot. In this video, let's go over how formations work in KingShot, a quick guide for beginners. Formations determine how you divide your troops among infantry, cavalry, and archers when marching, rallying, or defending. This percentages decide who takes damage, who deals it, and how hero buffs apply. Infantry are your tanks, high defense and HP, but lower damage. Cavalry are balanced, great for flanking and countering archers. While archers are your main damage dealers, but fragile if the front line falls. KingShot uses a rock paper scissors system. Infantry beats cavalry, cavalry beats archers, and archers beat infantry. Always adjust your formation to counter what your opponent sends, and keep at least 5% of each troop type, since hero buffs rely on variety. A good beginner setup is 50% infantry, 20% cavalry, and 30% archers. Avoid using one formation for all battles. Review your reports, and match your heroes with the right troops. As you unlock stronger units, tweak your lineup, mastering formation. Balance is a secret to winning more battles and KingShot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.